There are times when someone who sits in your chair wants to go Oliver Blonde, but they may not need 8 or 9 levels of lift to achieve it. Kenra Color's Simply Blonde Ultra Lifts may be the solution to this type of scenario with blonding you can trust. Simply Blonde Ultra Lifts are designed to give maximum lift without having to use lightener. They provide up to 4 levels of lift in up to 40 minutes, which means that if they're looking for a true blonde, they are ideal for clients with a natural level 6 or above. Simply Blonde Ultra Lifts provide lift, control, and tone all in one step, and they come in 3 different tonalities based on the different finish you're looking to achieve: ice, pearl, and natural. Simply Blonde Ultra Lift Ice is the coolest of the 3 with a blue-violet base to neutralize unwanted orange or yellow tones when lifting. Ultra Lift Pearl is also a cooler option with predominantly violet tones to help control unwanted yellow tones in the hair. And lastly, Ultra Lift Natural has a softer violet base to help provide control while still allowing some of the warmth to show through in the end result. Simply Blonde Ultra Lifts are mixed at a 1:2 ratio with either 30 or 40 volume Kenra Color Developer. Use 30 volume when you're looking for more tonal control, and use 40 volume when looking for maximum lift and brightness. Ultra Lifts can be processed for up to 40 minutes, meaning they could potentially process sooner than that. Watch your client and check their progress until they're up and lifted to the level of your liking, all the way up into the 40-minute mark. For more information and demonstrated techniques using these Simply Blonde products, be sure to check out our other YouTube videos and subscribe to this channel.